I'm excited because I'm going to attach the wide angle lens. This is a wide angle lens by PROfezzion, and I'm going to attach this lens to my Sony ZV-E10 camera. So when I purchased this camera, the lens came with it, and this is a 16mm to 50mm lens. And me not knowing much about lenses because I'm a complete noob, I didn't realize that this camera, using this lens, only has a limited view of the photos that you take, and I really want to capture as much in my background as possible, and I did not want to spend another $300, $400+ on a Sony lens. So on Amazon I saw this lens. It just came in the mail this morning, so I'm going to attach this lens onto the lens that is already on the camera, which is the 16mm to 50mm lens. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm gonna show you the difference using the standard kit lens that comes with the Sony camera compared to the PROfezzion wide angle lens. First thing you have to attach is the adapter. This is the 40.5mm to 52mm adapter. This goes on the lens, the standard kit lens. So I'm going to attach that first. Okay, and then you just turn it clockwise. Okay, so that's pretty secure. The next thing you're going to attach would be the macro lens. This is the macro lens. The macro lens is not identified on the actual lens, but this is the macro lens that will go directly on top of the adapter ring. Now, this macro lens is going to go on like so and turn it clockwise. Okay, so that's pretty secure. And oops, last but not least, I'm going to now attach the wide angle lens. The wide angle lens, you'll know because it has the name, the brand name of this lens on the actual lens. And you have like these grooves here to let you know this is what you're going to screw on to the camera. So now I'm screwing on the wide angle lens to the macro lens. Okay, so there we have it. I am super excited to actually take my first photo using this camera. So why don't we go outside and test it out? I'm like super excited. Okay, so I'm super excited to go outside. Ooh. Okay, let's take a photo. Oh my gosh, I better hurry up because my battery is going to die. So, wow, I can see the difference already. As far as my view, whoa. Okay, so I have it extended to 16 millimeters. I can see the camera picking up the trees that we have over here and the deck on the other side. Now I'm going to take the same picture. I'm going to unscrew the macro lens, everything, and then we'll compare pictures. The only thing is I still have the adapter ring on the camera. It doesn't change the lens because you need the macro lens and you need that wide angle lens. So the adapter ring does nothing. So let's take a photo. I have the camera set to 16 millimeter, so I did not change I did not zoom in or anything. So I've already noticed a difference taking the photo with the macro lens and wide angle lens attached to the camera and without. So let's go and compare these photos. This photo was taken with the standard kit lens, 16mm to 50mm lens. This photo was taken using the PROfezzion lens. As you can see, there is a big difference. You could actually see the chairs that was there, and you could also see more of the deck. So I'm really happy with this purchase because I could get more in my shot. So if you're looking to get more of a wide angle view, maybe you would be looking into purchasing the PROfezzion wide angle lens to attach to your camera. And I'm looking here and I see that there are many different types of cameras that wide angle lens could be applied to. So if you have the Sony ZV-E10, the ZV-1F, the A6000, the A6400, the RX100, some of these cameras, I don't even know what these cameras are, but if you have any of these cameras, your PROfezzion lens will be compatible. I will leave a description in the description box below so that you know the lens that I purchased for the Sony ZV camera. If you have not subscribed, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.